In today's video, I am cleaning out my pantry. Stay tuned. Today is Tuesday, so that means that it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. So for today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I'm going to be cleaning and organizing in my pantry. As always, Tiny Tidy Tuesday is hosted by Sunday Dawn. The name of her channel is The Helpful Home, and I will link it in my description box below, along with the playlist of all the other Tiny Tidy Tuesdayers. So I just kind of want to show you what my pantry is looking like now, and some things that I have to put inside it to see if I can kind of get a better flow. So this is what my pantry looks like now. I have little makeshift pieces of paper that say what things are, but I have like paper products here, an overflow here, cooking, some meal prep stuff, just some jars kind of put in here, chips, bread, canned goods are supposed to be down there, and then this needs to be more organized. So we're going to take care of that, and let me show you some things that I have that I hope will work to organize in this pantry. I also have this larger basket, and I'm honestly not sure if it's going to fit now that I have it in my hand and I'm looking at it, but I got this at Target and it was $20 for just the one basket. Because I have the labels that I just kind of made before, the little makeshift labels, I also picked up 3 of these containers that I can use as labels. So let's get started.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit.
If you are new to my channel or happen to be coming over from one of the other ladies' channels, my name is Jen. I do a variety of content here on my channel. I am a former teacher and I still love to teach and help others. I survived heart failure and am a heart warrior. In this video, I am redoing and cleaning my pantry. I keep it real on my channel. You will even notice at the beginning of this video, I called the labels something completely different, but I'm just the type of person, I leave in my mistakes because life is full of mistakes and we learn from those mistakes. So I do like to keep it real. As you can see, as I'm putting in each container, I kind of step back and I look and I see, and I'm trying just a different arrangements before I put the food into the pantry. Also with my pantry, you will notice that I do not have traditional food in my pantry. I mean, some of it's snack food, that kind of thing, but because of my heart, I try to keep it as healthy as possible. So I eat mainly fresh foods. So I do not eat from the pantry often. I think maybe the bread is probably the only thing that I grab from the pantry.
Sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
So after playing around with some arrangements, I decided what would work best for our family, and I am now loading up the new baskets that I got with food that we have, and I organized it again according to what would work best for my family and to meet our needs. And that's what we should all do, is customize things that everyone uses in our home so that they suit everyone's needs and not just make it Pinterest worthy or try to make it pretty.
You're undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes.
I know it's a little hard to see in such a small place, but basically I'm putting my canned items back into a basket that is already in the pantry, and I'm putting my smaller things back in. This is such a difficult little place to film, although I do love to film my pantry and to film the transformations, because I think I deal with a pretty normal pantry in the sense that it's on the smaller side and it has those wire shelves.
Here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on.
Now I am just writing all of my labels so that everything is labeled in the pantry and everyone can find things easily and put things back easily as well. When I do a Tiny Tidy Tuesday, which honestly I love doing Tiny Tidies, I pick a project that takes me 30 minutes or less to complete. This project from start to finish took me about 25 minutes, so it was on the longer end of projects that I normally do, but to me a tiny tidy is 30 minutes or less, but it could be whatever you want it to be. Thank you guys so much for listening and for watching, and let's finish this.
Blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm loving my pantry more and more each time I work with it. It's still not 100%, but it's getting there. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and maybe I give you some inspiration for your pantry. Do not forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel as well as the playlist. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Bye-bye.